Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the all-in-one pivot point indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator can calculate pivot points for us using the well-known and common
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
formulas available for pivot point calculation, and it can also calculate the support and resistance levels for us, where we expect the price to react upon reaching these levels. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option is the pivot point calculation method, which can be chosen from Classic, Camarilla, Woody, and Fibonacci options. These options have differences in their formulas for calculating pivot points as well as support and resistance levels, and we can use any of them depending on our needs. The next option is the calculation time frame, which can be selected from daily, hourly, weekly, and monthly. The default is set to daily, and with this option we can choose the candlestick calculation basis. Now here it is set to daily, and you can see that each one between these two vertical lines represents one day, and based on the daily candlestick it calculates the pivot point for the next day, as well as the support and resistance levels. The next option is for displaying lines, which, if set to no, will show the period. We specify here, for example, 10 days. If it's set to daily, it will display 10 days here, or any number of days we want. And it has two other options as well. If it's set to yes and long lines, it will only display the last day we are in, and it will show it with long horizontal lines. And if it's set to yes and short lines, it will again only display the last day. But with short lines, meaning it will display from now on and not show what was before. The next option is we can specify the number of these levels, for example, to only display the first support and the first resistance if we select this option. If we choose 2, it will display 1 and 2. If we choose 3, it will display 1, 2, and 3. And if we select this option, it will display all 4. Considering the calculation formula we have, since some of these only have 3, they will display 3 of these levels, and some will display 4. But if it's on this, whether it's 3 or more, 4, the formula will show us all of them. The next option is the number of candlesticks in the time frame. For example, here we have selected daily, and it displays these pivot points. If this option is set to no, which defaults to 10, it means it will show us the pivot points and levels for the past 10 days. The next option is the width of the lines, which is set to 1 by default, and we can increase this value, setting it anywhere between 1 to 5. The higher the value, the thicker the lines will be drawn. The next option is the color of our pivot point, which is blue. We can change this, and we can also change the color of the supports and the resistances. The last option is for the labels that are displayed here. If set to true, it will display them, and if set to false, it will not. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can also use the MT5 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Let's watch a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.